Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for a link to my Amazon store where I've compiled some of the very best items available, including some of my own personal recommendations. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This package, if I'm not mistaken, hang on, let me look real quick. Yeah. This was sent by Mr. Shaker MT. A lot of you are familiar with that name. Shaker is an enormous supporter of the channel, both in terms of content and just regular viewing, and also he is an amazing patron. Very, very kind person. He doesn't support just me. This guy will, seemingly, he does, there's just random acts of kindness he seems to do for people. So this guy's really great. Not just because he supports my channel, but truthfully, I've seen a lot of good come out of Shaker, as well as a number of other people associated with my channel. So thank you so much to Shaker and those of you who have also supported my channel in a number of different ways. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this. We're going to be using the Spyderco Shaman today. You can find this knife down in my Amazon store that I always reference at the beginning of the video. Just pull open the video pull open the description. Click on the link for the Amazon store, and then there's a whole section for Spyderco knives, as well as a whole bunch of other really interesting stuff down there. There's a lot of stuff in here, but real quick, I gotta move this back because there's something in here that is specific to Patreon, so I gotta make sure that we do that correctly. So I believe these are the three that are meant for you guys to see. So we're going to show those. Now hang on a sec. We got a note here. One moment. Oh, it says, all hail our metal overlord. Included is because you guys need to wait to see it. And yours truly, Shaker MT. And then he says, yes, I have chicken scratch for writing. Shaker, thanks so much, buddy. I appreciate that. By the way, if you guys are wondering, I keep all the notes that you send me. I just do. Those are not things that I throw away. I don't know why. I just like having them. Let's open up the ZT first. This is actually a ZT knife that I have never... Oh, wait. No. Which ZT is this? Hang on. Let's get it out here. Oh, yeah. No. This is... Are there two in here? Hang on. Oh, no. It's a... Boy, I don't know. Oh, is this the tool for it? It probably is. This is a ZT knife that I have never handled, and I think it's actually a Sprint or dealer exclusive version of the knife. Oh, interesting. So this is, I always forget the numbers, the RJ Martin 0609 in the, well, that says bronze two-tone. This must be, I don't know, maybe it's the wrong box. Maybe it has both. But this is a blue version of it. Ooh, yeah, let's do that again. So this knife... the first time I saw it, I almost pulled the trigger on it immediately. The only thing that held me back was reading the information on the size of it. This has very typical ZT action, right? It's kind of, he's got the pivot a little bit tight. I might adjust that a little bit, but it's very smooth. I mean, I'm sorry, it's very clicky and very easy to deploy. But I imagine I can just adjust that and make it a little smoother. I would have pulled the trigger on this personally if it was a little bit longer, but now handling it, I'm realizing, yeah, I actually can. I wear an XL glove. I can get my hands all the way around this. So this is really cool. I'm not the biggest fan of blue anodizing, but this is nice. And it's 20 CV. Very cool. And of course, this has the see-through pivot, which is not necessary, but interesting. It's always funny to me. People always complain about weird things when it comes to ZT knives, but they let other things go. Like on other, like Striders have the same deal and nobody complains about it, but it's a ZT, so people had a problem with it. Now, anyways, what do we have here? A Microtech. Oh my goodness. I forgot that you were sending me a brass sigil. What is going on with the blade here? Is this a gold heat-treated blade? Holy cow. Dude, this is wicked. Oh my gosh. Talk about something that looks like it came right out of the Halo series. Oh my goodness. That is wild. Can we... Oh yeah, of course we can. Beautiful. Let's get a nice close-up look there. Oh my goodness. Of course, Microtech's proprietary hardware that they ease the frustrations with by making it look extra beautiful. This looks like you actually use it, Shaker. This is really cool, man. Very, very beautiful. That is the first time I've ever handled a sigil, so that's awesome. And then we have something I think pretty special here from Curtis Custom Knives. Yeah. What is this called? This doesn't say. Oh, wait. It said on his note. Hang on. Pull this out. Let me read it real quick. Curtis Arrow. Yes, Curtis Arrow. Sorry, I was reading that to make sure that this is correct. Oh, I am a big fan of the aesthetic of Curtis Custom Knives. If I'm not mistaken, this is a... Whoops, got my finger in the way of that. If I'm not mistaken, this is a newer model. Am I doing this wrong? What is happening? Oh, wait a sec. Oh, that's why. So this can be used as a flipper tab in a light switch situation. I was like, that's a poor design because it catches your finger back here, but this obviously can be used if you want to light switch it. But the idea here is front flipper. Look at that. Wow, that is beautiful. Look at the blade stock thickness there. Wonderful. Of course, you have the Phillips style or the very large Phillips style. It's more of a crosshair thing because I think Mr. Curtis is a firearm enthusiast. It's very easy to do. It's very easy to do. You can actually easily disengage it and just kind of go slow there, or you can do the flip. That's really, really cool. This is wonderful. 3 amazing knives from Mr. Shaker MT. Sorry, I've got the monitor on here. I'm going to play it. So knock the volume down on that. But yeah, these are wonderful. Shaker, thank you so much. You have definitely provided some interesting knives for content on this channel, as usual. If you see Shaker down in the comments section, oh, you guys probably want to see the tool. If you guys see him down there, please, you know, give him a thank you. Oh, look at that. That's interesting. Look how that works. And they fit into the slots on the ZT here. Very cool. I'm not going to do that. Maybe we'll save that for the review, but that's really neat. It's magnetized. So, yeah, cool. It's my understanding they didn't initially include that with the knife, but in any case, these are wonderful. Shaker, thank you so much. We will be viewing these in the very near future. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this metal complex logo right here and subscribe because there is definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.